G'day guys, John here, Chief Instructor with FPV Australia. Welcome back to the madhouse. It's a little bit of a madhouse lately. We've got lots of stuff happening everywhere. We've got new programs being launched. We've got a bunch of new staff members on board. It's a little bit crazy. What I'm here to announce today is a new program. We've been getting a lot of contact from the likes of ATPL, CPL, PPL pilots who can no longer fly because of COVID, and they're looking at broadening their horizons, pardon the pun. And so we thought we'd design this program aimed directly at you. Let me give you some background. If you hold one of these flight crew licensing endorsements, and they don't have to be current, but if you hold one, there's no requirement for you to complete the entire remote pilot's license course. CASA's requirement is you go through the practical competencies and you pass a flight test and off you go. However, there's a lot of content that you already know in the course. That's great, but there's also content that you don't, and it would be very handy for a private pilot or a commercial pilot or even an ATPL holder to sit through. It's valuable content, drone related. So we're offering this new program we like to call the Grounded Pilot Program. It's a condensed version of our remote pilot's license, so all of the stuff you already know has been removed, and only the stuff that we think is important for you to know is included. So a shortened version, a day and a half, possibly 2 days in the virtual classroom. It just depends on discussion points and how long it goes, but at least a day and a half in the classroom, in a virtual classroom, so over video conferencing, so you don't have to travel anywhere. It is going to be spearheaded by one of our new staff members who's an ATPL holder himself, very, very experienced aviator, who's also very experienced in the drone world. So he's the best breed of both worlds. He'll take you through all of the theory and the bibs and bobs that matter to the drone world and how they sort of blend into the man world. So you'll get a really good angle from someone who knows that angle. And then there's up to a couple of days on the field of practical competencies and other bibs and bobs and the flight test and all that goes with it. So it's a condensed version. The costs are also cheaper. You still get all of the benefits that we would offer all of our remote pilots licensed students. You know, the manuals that would go towards your remote operator certificate, all the consultancy services that are free when you on board with us. You'll still get the safety kit that we offer all of our remote pilot licensed students with the vest and all the other bibs and bobs. And all of the stuff that goes with it, you get access to. You can also still tag this in with our complete certification package, so you can get the whole box and dice in one go, and we'll still give you the AVCRM for a year and all that other mumbo jumbo that goes with it. So let's just recap. Okay, I just want to break it down in really clean, easy speak. If you are a PPL holder or a CPL holder or an ATPL holder, you do not need to sit the entire course. So we're offering you a cut down version of that, a day and a half in the classroom, and then the practical competencies out on the field. And we do them all over the country, so it doesn't matter where you are. You'll be in the classroom with another ATPL pilot, so someone who's already very knowledgeable and very skilled, something like 15,000 hours I think he's got up. So someone who knows their stuff when it comes to that end of town, but is also very accomplished drone pilot and has been for a long time as well. So the best of both worlds. And you'll still get all the benefits that we offer all of our remote pilot licensed students, you know, manuals and safety kits and all other stuff. And you can combine it all with our full certification package. I mean, you know, it's a whole turnkey solution, and it's a reduced price. So the Grounded Pilot Program. The usual thing happens if you've got any questions, you know, here's all the contact details down below. You can email us at training@fpvaustralia.com.au. You can certainly call us on the 1300 number that you see on the bottom of the screen. So we're happy to chat to you. The girls in the office will pick that up. Or jump on the website. There's a page there that'll tell you all about this program with a link to enrol, and away you go. I hope this has been informative to you, and if you're looking to get your remote pilot's license and you happen to be one of those flight crew license holders, get in touch with us today and we can get you on the road to having a bit of fun in the drone world. Anyway, hope you're having a great day where you are. If you are flying a drone today, tomorrow, next week or next month, please do so safely and responsibly. Enjoy.